In this video, I'm going to show you how to change domain names on Ionos. Whether you're rebranding your business, refreshing your online presence, or just ready for a change, switching your domain name can be a big move. But don't worry, Ionos makes the process simple, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Start by going to the Ionos website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing your Ionos customer account. Click Sign In and you'll be prompted to enter your customer details. On the next screen, you'll be asked for your email address. Take a moment to enter the email associated with your Ionos account accurately. Mistakes here could slow you down, so double-check before moving on. After typing your email, click Next. Next, enter your password. Password security is important, so hopefully you've chosen something both secure and memorable. Type it in and click Next to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see the Ionos dashboard. This is your control room for everything related to your Ionos services. From here, navigate to Domains and SSL to access the Domain Management area. This section holds all the domains under your account, making it the perfect place to start. Find the domain you want to modify, then click on the three dots. That symbol means More Options. From the menu that appears, click on Name Server. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll see different name server options. Here, select Use Custom Name Servers. This choice allows you to enter new name server details, which changes where your domain points to. This is a crucial step as it directly affects your site's accessibility online. Once you've made that selection, enter the new name server details. Be very careful here. Name servers are what ensure your website can be reached under the new domain name. After entering the information, look for the Save button. Clicking Save will apply your changes and update your domain name settings with the new name server information. It's important to remember that changes to name servers and domains take time to spread across the internet. This process, called propagation, can take anywhere from a few hours up to 48 hours. A little patience is needed. During this time, it's normal for your site to be temporarily inaccessible or for emails to be delayed. Don't panic, that's all part of the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your domain name on Ionos. Congratulations! While the process might seem intimidating at first, following these steps makes it much easier. Plus, updating your domain can have a real impact on your branding and online presence, so it's often worth the effort. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to keep in mind. Always double-check the name server information you're entering to avoid any issues with where your domain points. Also, consider the timing of your change. Try to avoid making updates during peak business hours to minimize any potential disruptions. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.